welcome back to Steffi Creates. So we're just doing a little quick little do-it-yourself Halloween potion bottles. I was at Michael's and I was wanting more potion bottles for my display, and they were like 14, like $9 to $14, I believe. And I was like, why don't I just make my own? So I did get these glass containers. Oh, I got some green on there. I did get these glass containers from Michael's. They were $2.99, and then I used my 20% off coupon. And then I found these at Michael's. Glass paint, purple and turquoise, and bluish green is my favorite color, like robin's egg blue. So I was like, I have to get turquoise. And purple is definitely a Halloween color. And then I came home, I painted the cork black, and then I painted this part. This is 3 coats of the glass paint. If I didn't let it dry long enough on the first coat and I went over it, it did some clear there. If you want it to be more transparent, you just need 1 to 2 coats. This stuff is amazing. Look, I'm scratching it. Nothing. So, so these recommend that you allow to cure for 4 days, or you can place it in a cool oven, heat it for 275 degrees Fahrenheit, and then after it's done heating up, you bake it for 30 minutes, and then you allow it to cool in the oven so the glass doesn't break. And I did that, and it's like, it's amazing. I love it. I would highly recommend it. Just wait till your base coat is dry completely, not tacky or anything, before you do your next coat, because if it's still tacky, you're going to just paint up your layer, basically. All right, enough with that. Then I went online and looked for potion bottle labels. These are the 2 I picked. I did not make these. I did get them for free online. I downloaded the picture, and then I printed it out at home. I printed it first on regular paper, twice actually, to make sure that it was the right size. This is the size I settled on. I think it's like perfect. Like, look at that. That's perfect. So before I printed it on my sticker paper, I made sure this side was good. So this is perfect. I'm actually going to put it here where the teal paint is. So I got this sticker paper. It's actually Washi sticker paper. I got it from Temu. This is my first time using it. So I just thought Washi would be like really cool, because then, well, it's kind of crooked, but whatever. It's fine. It'd be kind of cool because then it's like kind of see-through instead of like a bright white sticker paper. If that makes any sense. Perfect. So here's my bottles. I have potion. What? I have poison, a fine mix of bone dust, gnome's toes, and dragon saliva. And then I have zombie brew. Tormented zombie toes and fingers. Okay, so I'm not finished decorating. So then I have these ribbons that I got from the Dollar Tree last year. I kind of want to like put it around the bottle here. So let me get my glue gun heated up and let's do that. I think it's heated up enough. So I'm gonna put some glue around the top here, because that's where I'm going to put the ribbon. and I want the seam in the back. So I'm going to start in the back and mark my way around. So I got a little bit of extra. Sorry, I did not do that on camera. I am so sorry. I got extra here, so I'm trying to cut it. And glue that. Down. Definitely didn't want to touch it. So I pushed it on my silicone mat here. Alright, let's do this one, and I'm going to try my best to stay in frame. Okay. Okay, so this is the back. That one I cut perfect. It feels like the glue actually dried before I got the ribbon on there, so I might have to cut a new piece. Yeah, I'm gonna cut a new piece because it's not coming off, and I don't like the lumps. So since this was perfect in size, I went a little bigger. Alright, so I had some to overlap. Alright, let's try that again. Okay. And that's the back. It's drying again before I even get to it. Did not have that problem with the orange. Anyway, so I'm gonna put some glue in here. Push that down. Now we're gonna do this guy. Sorry if you guys heard that. My tummy likes to talk. Okay. Make my bow. Wait. I'm missing a ribbon. Senna, did you take my ribbon? I think she took my ribbon. Oh. She didn't take it. I dropped it. Okay, so there's my cute little ribbon. Okay, so I don't want this coming undone. Oh, I should have used a toothpick. By the time I get a toothpick in there, it's gonna dry. Right. Yeah, I don't want it to come undone is the whole point. This side's still coming undone. Oh well. Alright, so now I'm going to trim these edges. I always forget which way. This way, I guess. Okay, trim those edges. I actually burned it off camera. It does not burn very well. Must have been my problem. My fault, I mean. Alright, let's do this one now. Make sure it's even. Even Steven. Does anybody else say that? Is that just me? Alright. And oh my gosh. I can't tie a freaking bow. Alright, perfect. Bring those in. Alright, so this time I'm going to take this, get the glue on it, like so, and stick it in there. And then, well, maybe stick it in there. Okay. I think I stuck it in there. Okay. Yep, I did. Because now that's not in the right place. Alright. So that's it. Cute. I'm not going to bother cutting this one. Okay, so I decided to add some things to this. Put the purple over here. Yeah, I like that. Okay, so to cover up that mess there, oops, I lost my ladybug. To cover up that mess on there, I'm going to put one of these. Right there. I like that a lot. And then I do want to put a ladybug on it, but I don't know if I want to put it on the top or if I want to put it on the bottle itself. Let's put it on the bottle. I'm scared. I burned myself. Okay, let's put it on the bottle. Let's put it like right there. Yeah, I like that. That's why I was scared. I burned myself. Okay, now let's do the zombie brew. And we will put the purple flower on that one. Try to straighten out the bow here. Ooh, I like that a lot. And then same thing, except this one is more of a teal. Oh gosh, I'm gonna set it down. Stop. Got way too much glue on that one. Pick it off here. Alright, so those are my potion bottles. I think they actually look way better and way cuter than the store-bought ones. I'm going to add these to my Halloween decor. And I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I look forward to seeing you all in my next one. Bye guys, have a good one. Okay, so I have my ribbons cut in a snake. See the snake? See the snake? I have a Cinnarol here as a special guest, like always. Okay, she ran away because I was moving stuff.